To set up and customize lock screen app shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom left to set up the left shortcut. Select the desired app. As the example, we will select camera. And then tap the plus icon at the bottom right to set up the right shortcut. Select the desired app. As the example, we will select Spotify. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the selected app is now appear at the bottom corner of the lock screen. You can swipe up the app icon to launch it directly from the lock screen. Given to the function, customizing lock screen shortcut allows for quick access to frequently used app without unlocking your phone, whether it's camera, music app, or a favorite app. This feature enhances convenience and efficiency. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.